Hey guys, I'm Brian. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to real quickly check your engine oil level. One of the main points that you need to know is you have to have the engine off, and then also you need to make sure the engine's on a completely level surface. Find your engine oil dipstick and check the level by wiping this completely clean. You're going to take all the oil that's on there off. You want it clean like that, and then go ahead and reinsert it. Okay, so what you want to do is check the level and see where this is at. If your oil is below this line right here, then it's too low and you need to add some. If you're above the line like this one is, you technically should remove just a little bit of the oil so that you're down in this little crosshatch area. Anywhere in this area is perfectly safe. Anything above it is too much, anything below it is not quite enough. If your engine oil level is low, it's really important that you add the right type of engine oil. This one's really easy because on the cap it has a 5W20. Some models might not have the oil type on the cap. Some of them you may find on the dipstick itself. Others you may have to look in your owner's manual or check with your parts store. They can tell you. And there's a couple websites, we'll put a link below, that can be helpful at finding your engine oil type as well if you can't find it on the cap or in your owner's manual. If your engine oil level is low, you're going to want to add your oil. Like this here is the 5W20, which is specifically for this car. It's easiest to take the oil cap off and then take the funnel, insert it into the hole there, and just go ahead and add your engine oil in the funnel. You only want to add just a little bit at a time, rechecking to make sure that you don't overfill it like this one. I'm not going to add any oil to this car because it has slightly more oil than it should have in it, and we'll drain some of that out. Once you've got the engine oil level at the point that you think it should be, it's not a bad idea to start the engine again, let it run for 20 seconds, and then recheck it. Make sure that you like and subscribe for some more automotive tips.